Good morning. Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ghayung Anggi Tantri from Chemical Engineering of Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta, number 1901006. On this occasion, I would like to read my essay entitled Utilization of Dregs as Reinforcement in Making Composite Bricks Made from Natural Material. Utilization of Dregs as Reinforcement in Making Composite Brick Made from Natural Material. Bagasse fiber is obtained from sugarcane processing factory waste. The bagasse that can be produced is 100 tons for every 1 hectare of sugarcane plantation. The potential for bagasse in Indonesia is very large, considering the size of the existing sugarcane plantation, which reach approximately 400,000 hectares. Based on Capital Investment Coordinating Board data in 2008, each Java is the province with the large area of sugarcane in Indonesia, which is 171,915 hectares. This makes Java the largest sugar center in Indonesia today. The Ministry of Industry reported that in 2008 Indonesia had 58 sugar factories, of which 31 sugar factories were operating in the East Java region with a total milling capacity 86,278 tons of cane per day. In this region, sugarcane plantations are very much dominated by smallholder plantation, while sugar factory management is carried out by state-owned enterprises, namely PTPN. 10 manages 11 sugar factories with a capacity of 34,300 tons of cane per day. PTPN 11 manages 16 sugar mill with a capacity of 36,278 tons of cane per day, and I manage 4 sugar factory with a capacity of 15,700 tons of cane per day. Sugar import in Indonesia are all strictly regulated through Management of Training 14/2020 concerning sugar import regulation. The regulation explains the Ministry of Trade allow import of sugar only to meet industrial needs, meet national sugar stock, and stabilize prices. For that, importers must receive recommendation from 3 different ministries, which will be given after a coordination meeting between ministries. The meeting will also decide on the amount of sugar imported that year, which will effectively be subject to quantitative import restriction. So far, Philippa continued domestic sugar production has never succeeded in meeting the demand for sugar in the country. This is because the need for sugar consumption in the country continues to increase in line with the population growth from 2018 to 2020. The national population increased by 2.28%, or around 6,051 million people. During the same period, total sugar consumption also increased by 95,000 tons from 12.6 kg capita per year to 13 kg capita per year. The total national sugar consumption reaches 7.18 million tons. This shows how reasonable it appears that the prediction that future sugar needs will also continue to increase, he said. Considering that the amount of baggage obtained is very large, this has led to several innovations for processing according to the quality standard in Indonesia. This is because baggage has positive and negative impact on the environment. Baggage that is not processed properly can cause environmental problems. As a polytechnic chemical engineering student who studies sugar processing, I will be able to contribute to realizing new innovation in order to reduce environmental problems, especially in the plantation sector. In my opinion, various innovations can be carried out in Dregs processing, one of which is the use of sugarcane dregs as reinforcement in the manufacture of composite bricks. Composite bricks are made by mixing several constituent materials that support the mechanical properties of the brick and pressing them in hot conditions to form a solid with characteristics that meet the standard. One of the supporting materials for the mechanical property of the brick is fiber as reinforcement. The fiber used in composite bricks consists of synthetic fiber and natural fiber. Each of them has advantages and disadvantages. The advantage of natural fiber is their ability to be recycled and do not have a negative impact on health as synthetic fiber. In general, sugarcane fiber can meet the testing standards, although it is necessary to do a deeper test regarding endurance and heat resistance. Field testing also needs to be done in order to obtain more accurate data. Further research that can be carried out show that the utilization of sugarcane fiber as part of the composition of composite bricks can be more optimal is through micro-scale research and research on the relationship between brick constituents materials. Alright, that is an essay that I have read, hopefully useful. Sorry if there is any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.